Nico in your speaker.
To the feds, I ain't saying no names. I was certain man in jail, they got bullied every day. I don't judge you by your money, that don't mean shit to me. To the label, they can't sign me, has to get this brick money. Had dreams, but they're being broken. Made racks in that car from Green Motion. First time I went horse was on the whole thing. I was pray for my dogs, cause family all sin. Everything I speak or do, it can get me nicked. Why do I care about you? When my God forgives, go ahead and envy me. I got real MPs, got waps in them deadly teeth. Flow like crap, making money with lines. I got bros back, nah, I ain't picking sides. On a block, done laps like a million times. No firearms when I say I'm in it with nines. We been outside night and day. When you broke, man, will tell you that crime don't pay. I got my mask on face, I can't catch no case. So my boy grabbed that and go and blast his face. Came from radio and sets, I was in jail, listening to Kano and Get. Feds got intel that I got a gun on my show, so I hit cells, break down a box into pebs. Had a lot of money, but I never see the meal. Memories a kill, I was locked selling Emily from jail. Tennessee gets filled, trying to see the better me for real. I'm just saying how I feel.